Xumo provides access to local broadcast channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and PBS through antenna integration. To get started, connect a high-quality HDTV antenna, such as Mohu Leaf or Antennas Direct, to your Xumo box's HDMI or USB port. Run the Setup Wizard, which will automatically scan for available channels based on your zip code. Once set up, navigate to the Live TV tab and select local channels for a curated list of available stations. Position your antenna for optimal signal strength by pointing it towards broadcast towers. Note that rural areas may require amplified antennas for better reception. Xumo does not include built-in tuners or access to cable-only channels like MSNBC or ESPN without additional subscriptions. Xumo Play apps are available on various platforms, including Roku, Fire TV, Android TV, and iOS Android devices. Ensure your device has a strong Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection for optimal performance. The app uses adaptive bitrate streaming for smooth playback of local channels. The channel guide updates daily to provide current listings. While Xumo Core Live TV is ad-free, on-demand content includes non-skippable ads of 15 to 30 seconds. Open the Xumo app, authenticate with your account, and select the Live TV section. Local channels are prioritized in the interface for easy access. Not all local channels are available in every region due to licensing or signal issues. Xumo boasts over 50 million active users globally, making it a popular choice for streaming local content.